Abu al-Haytham, have you heard of him? Abdullah, the son of the great Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal, he would say, كنت كثيرا أسمع والدي يقول رحم الله أبا الهيثم عفى الله عن أبي الهيثم. He said, I used to frequently hear my dad, Imam Ahmad, saying, may Allah have mercy on Abu al-Haytham. May Allah pardon and forgive Abu al-Haytham. Who is Abu al-Haytham? Who was this great man who left this impression on the great Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal? Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal. See, Imam Ahmad, brothers and sisters, suffered immensely in prison because he was defending the causes of truth, and he would be lashed for doing so. And Imam Ahmad himself, he said that I don't fear prison, I'm not afraid of being executed. He feared the whip, the fitna of assault of the whip. And on one day, when he was being summoned for his session of lashing, he felt someone tugging at his clothes from behind. So he looked back, and a man said to him, do you know who I am? Imam Ahmad said, no, I don't. The man said to him, أنا أبو الهيثم العيار اللص الطرار مكتوب في ديوان أمير المؤمنين أني ضربت 18,000 صوت بالتفاريق. He said, my name is Abu al-Haytham, that free spirit, the famous thief. He said, to date, it's on record that I have received 18,000 lashes on my back, and I've showed patience towards those lashes in obedience to the devil and in the cause of worldly gain. So, O Imam, you show patience as you are in the obedience of Allah and in the cause of the religion of Islam. Subhanallah. Despite his sins and his crimes, the thief, he didn't deprive himself from acting proactively. As a result, his words would have a tangible effect in strengthening Imam Ahmad, and he qualified himself for dua from the Imam, which we envy him for. And the books of history have eternalized the words of Imam of Abu al-Haytham because of a single moment of proactivity that he courageously took. So on what basis do you belittle yourself?